Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Wyze Cam Pan V4, a smart security camera that captures crisp 4K visuals and vivid color night vision, so nothing goes unnoticed. With 360-degree pan, advanced motion tracking, and seamless smart home integration, it keeps your home fully monitored. Easy to set up and feature-packed, it delivers reliable security you can count on. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Cam Pan V4. 6-foot USB Type-C to Type-A cable. Power adapter, mounting bracket and kit. Quick start guide. Technical specifications. The Wyze Cam Pan V4 features a durable polycarbonate body with a glass and plastic lens, finished in a clean textured matte white design. Its compact size measures 4.9, 1 by 2.48 by 2.17 inches and weighs just 274 grams, making it easy to place anywhere. It delivers stunning 4K 8-megapixel resolution for sharp and detailed video quality. A 1/2.7-inch CMOS sensor captures clear footage, while the 105.4-degree diagonal field of view helps cover more space. With 360-degree horizontal pan and 180-degree vertical tilt, it gives you complete room coverage. Video recording runs at 20 frames per second during the day and 15 at night, with up to 8 times digital zoom. For nighttime security, it includes 2 IRL LEDs, a 60-lumen spotlight, and full-color night vision. Audio features include a built-in 100-decibel speaker and microphone for clear two-way communication. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity across 2.4 and 5 GHz networks for a stable connection. The camera works with the Wyze app on Android and iOS and supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT for smart home control. Storage options include micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes, as well as optional cloud storage through the Wyze security plan. Power comes from a 5-volt 2-amp adapter with a 6-foot Type-C cable, and its IP65 rating makes it ready for both indoor and outdoor use. Product features. Experience crystal clear monitoring with the Wyze Cam Pan V4's 4K 8-megapixel resolution. Every detail from facial features to small objects is captured with exceptional clarity. Whether it's bright daylight or dim indoor lighting, you get crisp, vibrant footage that ensures nothing goes unnoticed. Say goodbye to blind spots. The camera's full 360-degree horizontal pan and 180-degree vertical tilt allow you to monitor an entire room with a single device. The smooth motorized movement can track activity automatically or be controlled remotely, giving you complete coverage without needing multiple cameras. Don't compromise on nighttime security. The combination of IR LEDs and a 60-lumen white spotlight provides bright, full-color night vision. You can see key details like clothing colors, objects, and even faces clearly, making it far more effective than traditional black and white night vision. Stay connected wherever you are. Dual-band Wi-Fi ensures a stable connection, while compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT makes integrating the camera into your smart home effortless. The Wyze app lets you view live video, move the camera, and receive instant alerts, putting total control at your fingertips. Product overview. Meet the Wyze Cam Pan V4, your all-seeing eye for complete home security. Let's take a look at what's packed into this sleek, rotating powerhouse. Starting at the top, we have the lens, flanked by a powerful integrated spotlight for color night vision. Just below it sits the microphone and a discrete status light to keep you informed of the camera's state. Tucked under the motorized head, you'll find the setup button for quick pairing and the micro SD card slot, supporting local storage so you never miss a moment. On the back, a high-output speaker enables clear two-way audio, allowing you to talk to family or warn off intruders from anywhere. Finally, the base houses the power input, ensuring your camera stays energized for 24/7 pan and tilt protection. Smart, versatile, and always on guard. App connection. Download the Wyze app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. This account will manage all your Wyze devices and notifications. Launch the Wyze app on your Android or iOS device, then tap the plus icon and select Add Device, then choose Camera and select your cam. Follow the on-screen instructions to prepare the camera for pairing, including confirming the LED is blinking. Press the Setup button located at the bottom of the camera to enable pairing mode. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials in the app so the cam can join your network. Once the app confirms a successful connection, you can name the device, set motion detection preferences, and adjust lighting or recording settings. How to install. Pick a spot that gives the best coverage of the area you want to monitor. The camera can sit on a flat surface like a shelf, table, or countertop, or be mounted on a wall or ceiling. Make sure the location has a nearby power outlet and isn't blocked by furniture, curtains, or other obstacles, so the camera can capture a clear, unobstructed view. If wall or ceiling mounting is preferred, use the included bracket and screws to secure the camera firmly. Ensure the mounting surface is stable to prevent vibrations or movement that could affect video quality. For tabletop placement, position the camera on a flat, steady surface so it won't tip over. Manually tilt and rotate the camera to cover the exact area you want to monitor. The Wyze Cam Pan V4 allows wide horizontal and vertical adjustments, so you can fine-tune the angle for maximum coverage. Once positioned, double-check that key areas like doors, windows, or entry points are clearly visible. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved power sources. Protect from water and moisture. Clean gently. Mount securely. Keep firmware and software updated. Product comparison. The Wyze Cam Pan V4 features a robust polycarbonate body with a textured matte finish and a glass/plastic lens, giving it a premium, durable feel that can handle indoor and outdoor environments. In contrast, the Pan V4 is smaller and lighter with a smooth finish, designed primarily for indoor use. Its compact design makes it easier to place, but it doesn't have the same rugged appeal as the V4. The Pan V4 delivers ultra-sharp 4K/8 megapixel video, capturing fine details and vibrant colors. It also includes color night vision with 2 IR LEDs and a 60-lumen spotlight, making nighttime footage bright and clear. The Pan V4 records in 1080p Full HD with standard IR night vision, which works well in low light, but produces less vivid images and fewer details compared to the V4. With a full 360-degree horizontal pan and 180-degree vertical tilt, the Pan V4 can monitor an entire room or outdoor space. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi and micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes, allowing for more reliable streaming and longer recording. The Pan V4 also has 360-degree pan, but a smaller tilt range, supports Wi-Fi, and micro SD cards up to 32 gigabytes, providing decent coverage but less flexibility in storage compared to the V4. Pros and cons. The Wyze Cam Pan V4 is a versatile 4K security camera that delivers crisp, detailed video with wide 360-degree coverage. making it easy to monitor any area. It comes with AI object tracking that follows people, pets, and vehicles, dual-band Wi-Fi for stable connections, and a physical privacy mode to protect your personal space. It also features a motion-activated spotlight, advanced night vision for clear, low-light footage, and two-way audio so you can communicate with visitors or pets remotely. It's weather-resistant and integrates smoothly with smart home devices like Alexa and Google Assistant. On the downside, motion tracking can occasionally lag, Wi-Fi may drop, setup can be a bit tricky, and some advanced AI features require a subscription. Motion alerts can sometimes trigger falsely, and outdoor use still needs a reliable power source. Despite these minor drawbacks, it offers excellent features at an affordable price, making it a strong choice for reliable and convenient home security. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.